If your wall receptacle looks like this, but your dryer plug looks like this, then you need to change your dryer's power cord to look like this. First, you will need to get a full prong dryer power cord kit. On the back of the dryer, you will see the terminal block cover right above the power cable. Remove the terminal block cover. Loosen or remove the screws from the strain relief so the power cable can be removed depending on which type of strain relief you have. If you don't have a strain relief, install the one that came with your dryer power cord kit. Installing a strain relief reduces the chance of an electric short and terminal post damage if the power cable is pulled when the dryer is moved. Remove the screws from the power cable. Remove the power cable from the dryer. Insert the full prong power cable wires through the strain relief opening. Secure the power cable to the terminal block, making sure the white wire is connected to the center terminal post. This is very important. The power cable's green wire must be attached to the cabinet. You can use any screw directly attached to the cabinet to attach the green wire, but it must be tight. Place the black wire on the left and the red wire on the right. Secure the power cable to the strain relief and make sure it cannot be easily pulled out. Replace the terminal block cover. Reconnect the vent pipe, plug the dryer in, and move it back in place. Check the vent pipe. Make sure it's not crushed. The vent pipe should look like this, not like this. Finally, check the dryer to make sure it works. Congratulations, you did it. Be safe, and thanks for watching.